Hobby paints, how to use them, how to pick them. That's kind of a matter of preference. I have a bunch of different paint here, and there's all different types of paint here. I have acrylic paints like Tamiya and Vallejo and MIG. So these are acrylic paints. The advantage to an acrylic paint is that they mix down with acrylic thinner. An acrylic thinner is a lot less toxic than enamel thinners and lacquers and things like that. It's usually an alcohol-based or a water-based thinner. So the advantage of an acrylic paint is that it thins with water or alcohol. I also have your regular hobby paints here, your enamel paints. I have Testors Model Master, and I have my favorite Humbrol paint. These all thin with enamel thinner. The advantage of enamel thinner is that it dries faster and harder, but it is pretty darn smelly. For lack of a better term, you need to wear a respirator mask or you need to put some gloves on to work with enamel thinners. Good stuff. Just take precautions when you use them. I also have some spray paint here. I have some Tamiya spray primer, I have some Tamiya colors, and I also have Tester spray paint. These are what we call a rattle can because they rattle. They have a little ball inside of it that agitates the pigment in the bottom of the can. If it's sat on a shelf for a month or two, all the pigment settles down. And if you spray it without shaking it, all you're going to get is the medium. You're going to get clear because the pigment's not mixed up. So basically you take your spray paint, shake her up, and then spray. And at some point later we'll talk about how to use spray paint, but you have to be careful with spray paint because it emits a lot of fume. So you want to do it in a well-ventilated area, and you want to wear a respirator mask and have gloves on. Very important to be safe. And that's what I have in paint. Thanks for checking us out today, and make sure you come to our website, www.megahobby.com, for all your hobby needs.